Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Let's learn something new today. Have you ever seen volcanoes on TV or in pictures? They are amazing, right? Long time ago, there was a Roman god of fire named Vulcan. Volcanoes are named after him because it is said that Vulcan stays inside the volcano, and when he is angry, the volcano erupts. This story is interesting, but what happens in reality is that a volcano is just a kind of mountain. It has a lake of molten rock beneath the Earth's surface. Can you see the eruption showing how the lava erupted from the volcano with smoke and ashes coming out? How does this molten rock come upward? Magma, which is formed by rocks melting and mixing with gas, starts to come upwards and the pressure increased underground. This leads to the eruption of the volcano. It is so scary to see a volcano erupt because the particles of lava and gases shoot up from inside it. As you can see in the video, the magma is thrown out of the mountains containing small rocks, dust and ashes from the volcano. This volcanic dust can travel thousands of kilometers in the wind. The area for miles around a volcano might be covered in volcanic ash. But how are these volcanoes formed? As you can see, the magma from the Earth's core is being pushed upwards through a long pipe-like structure. This is known as a vent. As this magma is getting pushed upwards, lava is produced too. And once this cools down, it becomes solid. It becomes a mass of rock after it has erupted onto the Earth's surface. A lot of mountains are produced like this, and these are known as volcanoes. One such example is Mauna Loa, one of the highest mountains in the world and a submerged volcano that stretches thousands of meters. Let us see some real incidents that happened due to the volcano eruptions several years ago. A city named Pompeii was devastated when Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. Another example of this type of volcano is Mount St. Helens, which erupted in 1980 and destroyed 200 dwellings. We just learned about Mauna Loa. Do you know how it erupted for about 12 days in late 2022? The first eruption since 1984. Students, do you know these volcanoes can be divided into different types of volcanoes? They can be active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, or extinct volcanoes. But what do these three types of volcanoes mean? Active volcanoes are those that have recently erupted or can erupt again. And dormant volcanoes are those that have not erupted in a long time but can erupt later in future. And lastly, extinct volcanoes are those that erupted thousands of years ago but are no longer expected to erupt. Volcanic eruptions are scary and they destroy a lot of things, but they also create new landforms. And that's why they can be good too. There are currently more than 1,500 potentially active volcanoes in the world. With these, we come to the end of this video. Now let us try to answer the following questions. Question 1. What is a volcano? Second, how is volcano formed? Third, what is an active volcano? So students, I hope you have understood it well. Until next time, thank you and happy learning!